Join me as I take on the challenge of building my very own irrigation system from scratch. Let's see if I can make it work. Did you know that building your own irrigation system can save you up to 50% on water bills while keeping your garden thriving? In this video, you'll learn how to create an efficient irrigation system from scratch, perfect for any garden or landscape. First, you'll need to gather your materials: PVC pipes, connectors, a drill, and some basic tools. Next, plan your layout. Consider the needs of your plants and the water pressure available. Let's make a drip irrigation system for these tomatoes. Now the fun part, assembly. Cut the pipes to size and connect them using the fittings. And finally, test your system. Look for leaks and adjust the water flow as needed. A little tweak here, and there, success! A fully functional irrigation system built from scratch. Now that's rewarding. Many gardeners struggle with overwatering or underwatering their plants, which leads to wasted resources and unhealthy growth. Watch as we demonstrate how to install an efficient irrigation system. We'll assemble the necessary components, including pipes, connectors, and timers, step by step. Start by laying out your main pipe, ensuring it reaches all the key areas of your garden. This is essential for even water distribution. Next, connect the drip emitters. These small but powerful tools ensure each plant gets just the right amount of water. Once everything is set up, adjust the timer to water your plants during the coolest parts of the day, maximizing efficiency and conserving water. With careful setup, your garden can now flourish like never before. Remember, the right watering system is the key to a healthy, thriving garden. In summary, we saw the critical steps to building your irrigation system: planning the layout, choosing the right pipes, installing sprinklers, and connecting everything to a water source. An irrigation system like this can greatly enhance your garden's health by ensuring consistent and efficient watering. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and check out my other gardening videos on the AgriVibes with Azindu channel for more tips and tricks.